Hi everyone, so we're going to do another example on do-while loops. So we're going to do something now with ternary operators. So let's initialize the variable proceed to true, and then we'll also initialize a variable j to 0. And then what we want to do is we want to do something. What we want to do is increment j by 1, then check if j is equal to 3. And if it's equal to 3, we will make proceed to false. We'll change that Boolean value. And then underneath this if statement, I just want to console.log the value of j just so we see as it increments. And I'll put the while portion here. It'll check to make sure that proceed is still true. And then at the end, we can console.log done. Whenever it's done that do while loop, it'll just show that last console log of done. So let's actually save it and run it. So I'll do node example2.js. And you can see right here, it goes from the number 1, 2, 3, and then done. So what's happening here is we initialize the variable proceed to true. This is a Boolean value, so we can just write it as either true or false. It doesn't need any quotations. Then we can initialize j is equal to 0. We're starting at 0. And in this do while loop, we'll first increment j by 1, so it'll be 1. And then if it's going to check here in the if statement, does j equal to 3? So does 1 equal 3? No, it's false. So skip this if statement. And then console log 1, which is what we see here in the terminal, 1. And then it'll check here in proceed, or in the while part, is proceed still true? Yes, it is. So go back up here and do something. Increment j by 1 again. It's 2 now. So does 2 equal 3? No, it's false. So we skip the if statement, and then it goes in the console log here. It console logs out the number 2, which is why we have the number 2 right here in the terminal. Then we check here for the while part, is proceed still true? Yes, it is. It's still true. So go back up to the top, and then we're going to do something. So j++, it's going to increment j by 1 again, so it'll be 3. So does 3 equal 3? Yes, it's true. So now we can finally go inside this if statement, and we are changing proceed to false now. So it'll still console log out j because it's right under the if statement, and it's going to console out 3 right here. We can see in the terminal we get the number 3. Then it'll check here in the while part, does proceed still equal to true? No, it's not true anymore, so just stop this do while loop, get out of it, and now console log done, which is why we see the word done in the terminal.